So hello everyone. Today we have a software developer internship, and in this role you will be getting like 20,000 per month as stipend. Hiring company is Odoo, and you can see the complete address here. And the job location is in Gujarat, and if you are looking for a 4 months internship, this will be a right job for you. So they are looking for someone who is curious and creative and who is able to take on challenges and responsibilities. And then here you can see what you will be doing here. Here you will be developing the product itself. So then they are telling that even if you are an intern, all your creations and opinions will be considered. And then Odoo is open source, so you can write the public code and contribute to the development community. Whatever you develop will be used by the millions of people all over the world. So then here are lots of opportunity you can do, like you can be an app developer, framework developer, you can work in security, you can be a developer in SaaS, you can be a DevOps infrastructure management, and you can work in any roles after this internship. You can choose one of these things from here, like programming languages like Python and JavaScript, database like PostgreSQL with object relational mapping, collaboration platform like GitHub, development model like open with external community, framework like Odoo, ORM, workflows, a report engine, BI, and AI. So here is the responsibilities. Here you will be developing and improving the apps, working on frameworks or existing apps. You'll be responsible for what you develop. You'll be working for framework or in the front end. Then you need to have your degree in BE, IT or CS. Then MCA, MSc IT and BTech will be eligible here. So you need to know about several programming languages, object-oriented language, passion for development, and you should be available for 6 months and 5 days per week. Then you should have a good read and written skills in English. So here is another thing, that you should have contribution to open source projects. You should have the hands-on experience in Unix or Linux platform, Python or JavaScript, HTML and CSS, Linux and GitHub. So here, if you scroll down, you will be able to see what are the benefits you'll be getting, what they offer for you and everything. So this is not much important. We will look to how to apply. So you just need to click on apply now here. You'll be redirected to here. Then you'll have to enter your name, email, phone number. You'll have to attach your resume and a short introduction about to yourself. So here in the right hand side, you can see that the location, the department you'll be working and everything. So after submitting your application, after 2 days you'll be getting an answer. So then the process will include one phone call and one on-site interview. Then after completion of your interview, you'll be getting your offer after 4 days. You can apply for this role using the link that is given in the description. So if you found this video helpful, you need to like, share, subscribe, and I will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.